How's it, everybody? Travis and Malia from Real 808. We're out at Porcupine Bay. It is 6:45 in the morning. We're about to rip some lips.
Morning.
Stay tuned. We're in 40 feet of water. I got fish at about 18 to 20 feet below us. I'm dropping a fluke down, see if I can't pick one up. What are you throwing?
I am throwing the G-crack.
That worm?
Yeah.
That G-crack should pick them up. Little Smalley.
Oh yeah, I see all the babies.
You see them all? Heck yeah. A whole bunch of baby bass in here. You can see them on the screen. Hopefully you can see them, but they're all in here. Tiny little fry. It's a nice one, huh?
Finally, I'm on the board.
You got the skunk off your boat. Got him.
Oh yeah.
And she gone.
I saw it. Jumped right in front of your boat.
Yeah. I saw her on the graph.
That's awesome.
So I was cheating. I never thought I'd say this, but I think the wind's a little too calm.
And then there's a breeze.
Right?
Yeah.
I might need to switch it up. I see him on the graph, but I can't get nothing to bite.
Really?
I'm try a crankbait next.
There you go.
Got him. Thanks. Angry little fella. Got the bottom. Got it. I'm free. Circle back around and cover it from the other angle.
You know what I haven't tried for a long time?
What's that?
A meditator.
Huh. They're probably good at chasing bait fish. Good one.
I like these pedals.
Yeah, they feel good on your bare feet, huh?
Yeah.
Damn it. There he is. Came back for it.
Oh yeah.
Jumped in the net. Good girl.
That one's got tricks.
Good girl, you all.
Okay. There was a boat that looked like the UPS truck going across the
Oh
water.
my God.
I was like, what the hell? My package is being delivered.
All right, last cast, and I'm gonna move on.
Yeah.
I'm only using a 1/16 that wobble head, so it takes a while to get down.
What size hook did you use for the G-Crack? Was it 2-aught?
No, with the little jiggy head thing.
Yeah.
I think it's a size 1 trocar
Oh, okay.
with the 1/5 jig head. You need more?
No, I have a ton of.
Oh, did it break off?
Huh?
Is that what broke off?
Yeah, but I had 2 other great things.
You didn't fix it?
No, I didn't have a leader, and I didn't know if you had leader on you, so I was waiting. But
No.
because I'm using these 2 for now.
Yeah, I'm using both of my BFS ones with no leader.
Okay. Yeah, because I just wanted to ask what size. Because I have so many. I don't.
Yeah.
I wasn't sure which one to use with that.
It's black with like red flakes on it. Did you eat a bug? We got sandwiches if you're hungry. Feral animal. It sounded like he chewed it too.
Straight down the gullet. On my screen, and then the devil said nope.
All right. We got a nice little walleye so we can throw it in the cooler, make some fillets.
Oh shit, there's a school down there at like 12 feet.
That's the one I passed that one. I think that's where I caught this one out of that school. Yeah, it was right before that point right there where you're at. So yeah.
15, 20 of them. Oh my word.
The school moves pretty quick, so they could be anywhere now.
Yeah.
If you don't see them on the graph, they're probably, it could be either direction. Yeah, it was a nice tight school. Maybe they're on recess. Yeah, they're right at the shallow part before the drop off. About 13 feet before it gets to 30. Got him. Nope, got the bottom. All right, did a little bait recovery. Back in action. It changes so drastically right here. Like I can see the bottom right here, like 3 feet of water. I'm in 15 feet of water. it drops off to 30 feet of water where you're at. It's crazy. I had a tap. I don't know if it was a bottom. I see. Oh, here they are. They're right here below me in 10 feet of water.
I think I got one.
Yeah, you do. Nice one. Get my fat ass out the way. Got a big back. Oh,
Hey.
she surprised you. That's on your BFS?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, just get some of it down or something.
Some of it's lunch.
Yeah. Hey, simmer down, buddy. Alright.
Yeah, buddy.
Relax. Hey. Alright, big boy. Honey.
Honey.
Honey. Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin. Simmer down now. Hey. Stop it. God damn it.
Quick release. I got on camera. You okay?
No, I'm heartbroken.
What were we doing holding it above the water instead of your boat?
I thought I had a good grip on that.
Aw.
You son of a bitch.
Did it poke you?
No, it just twisted and that's okay though.
That's okay. You caught it. I saw it. Got it on camera. Still recording.
It was quite rude anyway. She spit on me. She did all kinds of
Huh.
violation.
Say bye.
Bye.
Were they suspended at 10 or was it 10 feet there?
It was suspended at 10. Now I got another, there's one at 5, 10, and 20. The one at 10 looks like a seahorse shape.
Huh.
That's probably a carp. But there's like a walleye.
Big old dumb carp.
How dare you?
They're beautiful.
Derpy, huh?
They're beautiful. They are derpy.
They're derpy, but they're so cute. They got scales like a snake.
Yeah. Big old scales.
They're just big and slow. Most of the time they're just mean.
You like that?
I was a little scared. I often hear you hit
The rocks?
not just the rocks, like tree lines and shit. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, I try to bounce it off stuff.
Yeah, because when it falls in the water, they're like,
Yeah. Good job, Mazda. Don't throw it back.
it's big nasty. Oh no, that's over here.
Yeah, a lot going on.
Yeah.
Fighting a fish, fighting a fly, fighting a bee. Good job.
Oh, there's one big one.
Nice.
Be nice to me, okay? You be.
Play nicely. Oh, there's a nice one. Is that like a pound? I'm just kidding. Damn, nice. Nice. Hell yeah. Oh, don't drop it. Get your nice, go ahead and take your picture. I set you up on the fish?
Sure did.
Hell yeah. Travis's guide service got Millie on a fish.
Don't break my tip.
Nice tips.
So sit down. Yeah, beautiful. Sit down.
Good job. Boat flip.
I got him in my eye.
That's another good one.
Yeah. Stop it. Hey,
This is down on the bottom where I saw him.
sure was.
Sweet. Nice one, Mom. On that G-crack worm. Found a nice grassy edge right here in about 22 feet of water, and the bass seem to be hanging up right on top of it. This was like a better one. It's coming right at me. Again off that G crack. We're just letting the current push us right over this grass bed. Yeah. How deep are you in? 14? 22 right here. Yeah, I think we got to go back up and drift back down again. Got her. Nice little fighter. How about that? All right, I got 3 smallmouths and one nice walleye out of this grass bed. Time to move on. What's the matter? Is your reel messed up?
Kinda sounds like it, huh?
I can't hear it from here. Just the way you're reeling it looks like it's messed up. Is your drag tight?
Like clicking.
Dang.
Here, you.
Good job, babe. Got her. Yeah, and it was down there like 24 feet. There she goes. Quick release. Yeah. It's a 3-pounder, Mom. PB, 3-pounder. Yeah. That thing fought like a log. Used to be a waterfall up here. Haven't had much rain, but I'm sure winter time, just after winter, we'll have that waterfall flowing again. Got him. This one's alive. It's not a tree pounder. She just spit up a whole bunch of crayfish. Another little fatty. Thanks, babe. Got him. Come here, little heifer. Jumped in the net. Woo! I'm all right. I give this one a 7.5. And the judges say 7.5, 7.8, 8.0.